Hey friends, if you wish to enable Bluetooth on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, you'll find it in the system tray. So click on the system tray here and you will find the Bluetooth symbol here. If it is off, it is disabled, and if it is on, it is enabled. Okay, and to connect anything, just click on this option and you will find a list of devices you can connect to them. So this is how you can connect to any device using Bluetooth, but whenever you switch it on, it needs a while to start figuring out the devices. This is how you can enable Bluetooth on your Windows computer. And if you want more settings, then you can click on more Bluetooth settings, and you can also add devices from here. Okay, and you can check devices and all. This gives you more variety for the devices. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.